Christine.
Hi, Miss Nickelfritz. How are you?
Good. They told me you were coming today.
Yes, they told me to come help you out and do some cleaning for you today. I'm looking forward to spending time with you. I brought you some lemons from my lemon tree.
Oh, that's so sweet of you, Christine. Okay, Christine, I'm going to get my hair done. So you just finish tidying up, clean up a little bit, and just remember, don't go downstairs. All right, bye.
Oh, okay.
You're not supposed to be here.
There you are.
You're not supposed to be here.
You guys get in here. Hey, Summer, it's Christine. Miss Nickelfritz left a little while ago, and I'm a little freaked out about the house. And am I supposed to be here by myself?
Caregivers are not allowed in the home without the client present. There is never a reason for a caregiver to be in the home without the client, even if the wife is present or the neighbor is there.
Okay, I'm gonna get my things and leave right now. Thank you. Oh, I didn't know anyone was here.
You're not supposed to be here. You're not supposed to be here.